Okay, I'm back and I'm on my penny bed trying to get some video. Have a little break from doing some yard work. I feel like my head hurt. There is my white penny bed. Here's the white color. Smells really good. This way. Okay. And this side. I don't know why it wouldn't focus when I moved too fast. Maybe. Huh. There is my penny flower. The color here is white and smells really good. Humahalimuyak. Ang bango. See if I can focus this. Oh, there it is. There you go. And right down there, there's more. Humot siya kayo. So that's the camera. It's so sweet smell. So the camera is right there. Very sweet smell. Mmm. Yay. Flowers. Penny. Ang mga iring kasunod-sunod sa kuha. Pag mga kalay. Tuon nila ako ilang mama, no? So I wasn't using the right timing. I had already a video na ka-video na ko ganina niya. Di man siya mo focus sa bulak, hanap. Kana siya o hanap. Blurred siya niya, sakit ang lantawon. Here I'm gonna get all the flowers right there. And pink peony. It's a really nice color. It's not really like dark pink. That one there's yeah. Naay pink sa tunga. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah. You keep following me. That's why I step on you. This is crazy. Ang iri nga buwang nga. Isig sunod-sunod na ako. San asa ko paingon. There it is. I'm gonna get this side. Pink. And that side there. White. 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 Oh my god. Cats are making me crazy. Yeah, look at that. It's so nice. It's swaying with the wind. It gets windy and it looks nice. You see? Pennies. Penny flower. Penny flower. I'm gonna cut some to put it in my flower base. Alrighty. Just happy to show to you, to all of you, planted by my hubby's grandfather. How old is this plant? How old? This plant flower? Like 70 years? Oh, 66 years old since they planted here on this bed, this flower bed. 66 years old pennies. Tigulang pa sa kuha. But they are the old kind. Are they the native one? Like this smells really sweet. Smells so good. Gapangalisbo ang kahumot sa bulak. Nang ibutang nako sa sulod. Magputol ko karon og magputol ko kung ibutang sa flower base kay mag-ulan, mga matay na din sila itom. Okay, I'm gonna cut some of my penny flowers and put it inside the house. Amping tanan og permi ang lawas himsog. Stay home and be well, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and share if you like my video. Thank you. See you next time sa akong sunod nga video. Magputol ko og mga bulak.